Hello, welcome to our virtual report. I'm Deborah Cedillo Dugan from my home yoga studios in Northeast Phoenix. Today, we're going to talk about health and wellness. And yes, the City of Phoenix can help you with that too, all during this COVID crisis. Joining me now is Kat Mays. She is the FitPHX coordinator for the City of Phoenix and the Parks and Rec Department. Kat, it's great seeing you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing? Thanks for having me today.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. Well, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite topics, which is health and wellness. And the city has so much to offer. Kind of give us the rundown of what you guys are doing to offer some of our city residents.
Sure. So, with everything going on, we had to make the jump to virtual programming. So we did, starting back in July, we continued our partnership and sponsorship with AARP Arizona to provide virtual programming to the public at no cost. So currently we hold a Monday night boot camp class. And we also hold a Tuesday night it's called Fall into Fitness, but it's actually a variety of group fitness formats included in the 1 hour. And then what we're also going to talk about today is our morning yoga class, which we offer every third Saturday of the month. And that will continue through the remainder of the year.
Well, I love that. I mean, I love health and wellness overall, and I do all of that and some. But I'm actually in a program right now for yoga therapy, yoga is about fitness, but it's about so much more. And especially for a lot of people teleworking during this COVID crisis, there's lots of ways to stay healthy. And with these virtual programs, that's pretty cool.
It is. It's been so much fun. We've built such a big community around these programs. We've started in person. We typically hold these, but making the jump, we wanted to keep that community going, and we were kind of feeling disconnected. So we made the jump to virtual, and it's been tons of fun. We've had a lot of engagement and great participation, and it's fun to have that something to look forward to every week.
Of course, let's do the rundown. I know Sutra is you have the partnership with Sutra and AARP for the yoga classes. I think you said every first Saturday. And so, what does a person need to do to get and make sure that they get space in those classes?
So it's really easy to register. Everybody has to do is go to the phoenix.gov/fitphoenix website. And there, that will link you to our registration system. And as long as you're registered, you'll receive the Zoom link about 24 hours prior to each class.
Oh, that's great. And it's all free, people. So there's no excuses to say, I got that 10-pound COVID, or I got that 5-pound COVID, which I'm hearing people say, because they are teleworking,
Right.
They're home with the kids, they're homeschooling, they're doing all these things. You need to make time for yourself. And if you are not, health and wellness is everything, because that just, it makes you a happier person. It makes more productive to being at work. And, quite frankly, with us teleworking, there's a lot of things you can do. You just need to step away and do a stretch or two. You really, really do. So how's it going overall? It sounds like it's really, really going well.
Yes, it's been great. We obviously, this was new territory for us, so we didn't know how it was going to go, but our community that we built was right there for us, and they've been totally engaged. We spend about an hour doing the class, and at the end, we take everybody off mute and been able to kind of talk through with different topics and kind of let everybody talk to each other, because we haven't been able to see each other in person for so long. So it's been great.
Well, I'm going to give you a tip here, because I know a lot of those folks who are at home, and there are a lot of city employees that are teleworking, still making sure that we're getting all that great services out to our community. And a lot of our employees also have to be at work, to pick up trash, to make sure the street lights are working and the roads are paved. So there's a lot of them are still working, and you're seeing them. But there's a handful of us that are still teleworking and still doing our jobs. But what I'm trying to say is that you're home, you're at your working desk, or you're standing, whatever the case may be. Take 5, and I'm going to give you 2 tips, especially if you are working a lot and you're sitting a lot. Marichasana 3 is a wonderful pose for your back, and basically all it is a sitting twist pose. And I'm going to show it to you really, really quickly. You just start in Dandasana, which is a sitting pose. And then you just bend your right leg, so I'm facing you, I'm mirroring you. And then you just take your arm over and you do a big, huge twist. Make sure you're pushing up your torso up, and you're pressing in with your elbow into your right leg. And the taller you can get, the better. Just look over your shoulder and then come out of the pose. Get back with both legs, the Dandasana. And then you're going to do it to the other side. You take your left leg, arm behind you, hook over your arm, and you do a big twist, stretch out your torso, look over your shoulder. This is Marichasana 3. And then you come back. Oh, that felt so good. It felt so good. Well, I'll tell you what, when I'm working and teleworking at home, I do not sit. I have lots of books and my laptop on the books, and I have to stand, because that is the worst thing to be doing, is sitting all day. And there's so many different stretches and poses for yoga that you can do for your back. So I'm encouraging all of those city residents out there that are finding their way at home, homeschooling and just working, to sign on board with Kat and the program. And FitPHX, can you talk a little bit about the parks too? Because you have that whole FitPHX walking path and area as well.
We also have our Walk Phoenix Pass within 49 parks throughout the city. It includes kind of a route, and it tells you how far you've gone, and it even has trail counters, so we know how many people are engaged and using the pathway. So it's something to do when it's nice outside, right? Not too hot, to get outdoors and get some fresh air.
Thanks again for joining us, Kat, and for all the great work you're doing for the city of Phoenix and making sure our city residents are staying healthy. Get out and do it, and get out and move. Stay safe, Phoenix. I'm Deborah Cedillo Dugan.